If you would like to see this install of the wig I made in my last video, keep on watching. So I have braided down her hair, and right now I'm using the Got2BeGlued Gel in the black bottle to slick down her edges. This is an old friend from high school that I hadn't talked to in about 3 to 4 years, so we was just catching up. That's why you see a lot of movement and talking in the video.
Still like you, whatever, but
Simone, what the fuck?
Look, your voice is gonna be thinking like this.
Now I'm going to just take my blow dryer and then just dry the edges where I put the gel. I'm taking a Nude Stocking Cap to put on her head for the ball cap method. I would recommend using pantyhose instead in the shade that's closest to your skin tone or your client's skin tone. I'm taking that same gel and just putting it over the space where I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. This is a closure wig, so I don't have to do it from ear to ear, and she wants her part on the left side, so I'm just putting that to where it's going to cover. After I put down that layer of gel, I'm going to take the Got2BeGlued freeze spray and just spray over that, then blow dry everything so that it's melted down. Since I only need the stocking cap for where the closure is going to be sitting, I'm going to sew around those braids in a similar 4x4 pattern and then cut off the rest of the stocking cap. I'm taking some foundation that's close to her skin tone and just blending that cap in.
Do y'all read about this?
This is the finished product of the wig with the curls and everything, and I'm having her just put it to where she wants her part to lay. So I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors and cut her lace off. You want to do it in a zigzag motion and not just straight across. She didn't want to glue down, so I'm just going to take that Got2Be gel and lay it down where the lace is going to be. And I also sprayed some Got2Be glue freeze spray over that gel once it dried. So right now, I'm just cutting her some baby hairs, and I did style them with some Got2BeGlued Gel, and I went over it with the ApHogee wrapping foam. I'm taking my Raven Rene'e satin headband and just tying it down so I can blow dry it dry. Once everything is dry, I took the satin headband off, and now I'm just taking all the pins out of the curls so I can go ahead and comb them out. I just want to say I love her energy throughout this whole process. Like, while I was doing her hair, I had such a good time catching up and everything. It was like we never stopped talking. I would recommend cutting layers into the bang with either some shears or a razor comb. I didn't do that because I'm not that good at cutting, and I still made it work. Now I'm just going over the hair with a hot comb just to make sure everything is flat. I want to put a disclaimer. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't do installs anymore. This was just a favor for my friend. But if you would like to get a custom-made wig like this, head over to my website at ravenrene'e.com and put in an order. I do have pre-made wigs also. That is it to this install. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.